Hello, I'm starting this recording for Minecraft. Showing my world. So here we are, my home. And basically gonna build it off, make the island bigger. Someone's leaning over me. I'm telling him to get away. Get away! Okay, so get everything I need. Stone. More stone. Even more stone. Okay, so let's go extend. Extend as far as possible. Basically, for this video, we're going to be extending the island. It's going to take a while. I'm going to extend. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Someone might join our world. Who knows? It's an enemy that tried to take over my island. And so me and a couple other people destroyed the person. And they ran away. Because they are scared. And there they are. They just ran away, so I don't know where they are. She might come. Who knows? I will be ready for them. Be quiet. I have a stone sword too. So what? You don't even have a house yet. Hey. Hey. You're not allowed here. You're not welcome here. You're not welcome here. You're not welcome. No. You're not welcome. I'm going to kill you. Get off our island. Get off. Never come back. Never come back. Never. Your island is you get that entire island. We only come over there for wood, which we don't even need because I can just glitch it and do the duplication. Just let me build. I'm building in peace. You're never gonna get them. Also, you're not allowed to duplicate diamonds.
What do you mean?
You're only allowed to duplicate blocks. And you're not even allowed to duplicate diamond blocks. You're not allowed to duplicate any ores except for redstone.
And iron?
No. No. You have to find it all yourself. Only the host can, and I'm the host.
Be quiet.
If you do, then I'm not gonna play. No, I'm gonna record forever.
What?
I'm gonna record until I feel like I want to.
You still recording?
Yes. You have interrupted. That's why I tried to kill you. No. At least I have a better house. All I saw was
What if
you.
you need one extra diamond? You can at least get one extra diamond, right?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yep,
If you do, I will kill you. I will duplicate every... Okay. Then I'm never gonna let you join back. Still, you're never gonna be allowed back into my world. I have to do circle mining on islands, because if you don't circle mine, then you're basically dead. You'll run into the ocean. See? Look at this. No! I don't have commands. Why do you want me to get it so bad? It's cheating. Commands are for cheaters. You're a cheater if you use commands. Too bad. I don't care. At least I actually play the game correctly. Cheater. You're a cheater.
I can't cheat on this world.
Yeah, but you cheat on your own world. At least YouTubers don't cheat. You're not allowed to duplicate it.
Not 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Want to see how many cave watch? Look at my iPad. I found it all, but I did not duplicate. I found it. Yeah, I just found it all right here. I did not duplicate. I would have had like 64, and I would have made it into ironing it. I didn't duplicate. See?
No, you just dug that hole out once you found iron.
Yeah, I dug a hole. No, I didn't. I did not duplicate.